Hey guys, it's your girl Shala, and it's my birthday, and I'll recreate my cake if I want to. Y'all join us. PROMOSTK. Let me show y'all how I transformed two of my cakes. One was a pineapple cream cake, and the other was a lemon cream cake. All right, so I'm gonna cut my cake. Oh, let me make my whip. All right, so let me go ahead and cut this.
Cut your piece first.
A birthday girl always gets the first piece.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where you coming?
And then I gotta cut my little
Oh,
piece.
I forgot about it.
Ooh. All right, let me cut my husband.
She gonna cut me a big piece, y'all. Call me what?
Sweetie.
This girl just a nutty. She
Because
can
if
be.
I don't do it, he gonna be in here
She
like
a
he
sweethead
gonna be in
too.
here like a little rat.
No, I'm not.
Yeah.
No, I'm not.
All right, let me
Just
slide that over. Now I'm gonna decorate it, y'all. I'm gonna decorate my
decorate
cake.
it then.
Yeah.
What you gonna do for?
So we're gonna put the Cool Whip on it first.
Oh, I thought you put the strawberries first.
You can do yours however you want to do it, honey.
Girl, you finna get knocked out.
I'm doing mine like this.
I'm gonna see how it gonna turn out though.
My husband always want to see how I'm doing stuff. Oh yeah.
Well, I guess.
And this is just the fruit.
I guess a little
Nothing
better.
sweet on it, just the natural fruit. Cause even though it's my birthday, I'ma still eat healthy. Okay.
Yeah, that's right. My wife gonna eat
Now,
healthy, y'all. She do
I'm
all
gonna
that
show.
kind of
Oh, I got on the scale today. You guys.
Oh no! Don't tell me. Broke the scales, everything.
I'm gonna do a reveal. I have lost more pounds. Yes.
Good for you.
Yay! Yay!
I told her she
All
got
right.
to lose a little more to get in that swimsuit.
Happy birthday to me. And now I'm gonna give y'all a close up.
Girl, if you don't sit down somewhere and wear Shelly, you ain't so. Lord Jesus, have mercy.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.
What them look like
Happy
olives? They don't
birthday
look like no
to
darn
me.
grapes.
Baby, those are blueberries.
Oh, blueberry. I ain't want
There
all
you
that
go.
darn stuff like you.
Get your fork and spoon, however you want to eat it. Or scoop it with your hand. I'm so excited. I can't wait to try it.
Well, let me try it. I'm gonna let's see how your mouth gonna be.
Okay, let's see.
Okay. She ain't nothing but a sweethead to calling somebody else a sweethead. Sweethead, thank you. I'm gonna try strawberry.
Okay, so I think that one was the lemon. Let me try this one and see. I can't remember which one it was. Let's see.
Strawberry sour? Dang.
This one's the lemon right here. And this one's the pineapple.
Let me see, can I tell you? Pineapple. No, right? That's lemon.
It's like eating a strawberry shortcake, y'all. Hey guys, it's your girl Shala, PROMOSTK, and also PROMOSTK, Shala's Creations Way. Y'all, I'm celebrating my birthday this month. Yes, May 25th is my day, but guess what? We're doing a Cash App. Yes, we're doing a Cash App. Yes, you guys want to enter? Go ahead and enter. You have May 1st through May 31st before midnight to enter. The drawing will be held live. Yes, the drawing will be held live on June 1st. Yes, so y'all stay tuned for more info. You enter by doing a Cash App for $1. Yeah, so if you do not have Cash App, please get your Cash App. Winner must have a Cash App. Winners do not have to be present, so you don't have to be present for the grand drawing, But you do have to be present for the other drawings we're going to be having, and you have to have your name in the bucket because you gotta have it in there because we're going to be drawing the names from out of the Cash App pool. All right. There will also be additional prizes. Oh yeah, additional little giveaways. And that's going to be for the people that do the Dollar Cash App as well, but that are actually present in the live. And they'll have to answer some questions. Questions are, how well do you know me? So y'all check out my video. Yes, you guys, y'all check out my videos. So it's going to be some trivia questions. I'm the birthday girl. So I'm going to have some questions to ask you. And if you answer them correctly, guess what? You'll win some of the little drawings we'll have.